Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday. Hopefully, you guys have been doing well. I miss you so much. Okay, so we're going to start working on our station work today. Our first station work is going to be our reading mastery. So, name on your paper. First thing, we have sad Sam is. Now, we have to untangle this. We have to unscramble these words and make a sentence. So, we know sad Sam is. Does that make sense, class? No. So we have to unscramble them. So we know that Sam has an uppercase S. So we know that it's going to go first. Sam sad is or Sam is sad? What do you think, class? Sam is sad. And that's the end of our sentence. And we know that sad is going to be the last word because look, it's got a period. So Sam is sad. Okay, let's look at our next one. Has a hut Dan. Now, Dan has an uppercase, so we're going to write Dan has a hut, and we know hut is going to be our last word. Dan has a hut. And we know hut is our last word because there's a period right here. Fat. The ram, or the is ram. Now we have to unscramble that. So we know the is going to go first. The fat is ram. The ram is fat. What do you think, class? The ram is fat. And we know that fat is going to be last because it's got that period. The is hot sun. The, what is hot, class? The sun is hot. Okay, so you guys are going to unscramble those words and make a sentence, okay? On our next page, now you guys are going to find the word when, sun, lid, got, did, mom, digs, and cow. So you have to find in this section, you have to find the word win. W-I-N. W-I-N. Oh, there's one. Let's keep looking. W-I-R. Nope, that doesn't spell it. So we know there's only one win. Let's look at our next one. Sun. S-U-N. S-G-S. No, S-U-N. Oh, we found it. Circle it. You guys are going to find all of those words. So let's do one more together. Lid. L-I-D. L-I-D. Ooh, we found it. Circle it. Keep looking. L-I-U. No, that doesn't make sense. And on the last, so when you find the last word, which is cow, you are going to draw a cow. So you're going to go through all of these. Okay. All of these words. And then our last thing, you're going to draw a cow. And you're going to make a cute cow like Miss B. Okay. Our next thing that we're working on today is our V book. Remember, we're going to read it. Miss B is going to read it first and you follow along, okay? We looked at the volcano. We looked at the vine. We looked at the violin. We looked at the vacuum. We looked at the Valentine. It is for you. And what do we have at the end of our sentence? An exclamation mark. Okay, so now we're going to read it again. My V book, and we're going to circle our V words. We looked at the volcano. Volcano has a V at the beginning. We looked at the vine. We looked at the violin. We looked at the vacuum. Vacuum has a V at the beginning. And our last one, we looked at the Valentine. It is for you. So now we're going to be working on our next station work, okay? So we're going to write our name, and you guys are going to be drawing a picture. You're going to be drawing two pictures, okay? So you're going to be drawing a picture that says 5 plus 3, and then another one that says 4 plus 5. So let's do our first one. I'm going to have 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3 other boxes. So I'm going to get my other pen. 1, 2, 3. How many boxes do I have all together? So let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 purple boxes plus how many pink boxes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're going to get our answer, so let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 boxes, so I'm going to write my answer down there. For my next one, I'm going to draw different colored triangles. So I have 4 pink triangles plus 5 purple triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them all up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 triangles. Okay. So you guys are going to show me a picture. You can do whatever. You can do basketballs, you can do sandwiches, you can do any shape you want. For our next page, we're going to be figuring out our answers. So we're going to be counting up our pictures, and we're going to write our answer. So let's look. I have 7 spotted dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 black dog. How many dogs do I have all together? So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dogs. Let's look at our next one. I have 8 bowls plus 2 striped bowls. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to write your answer, okay? So I'm going to let you guys do the rest on your own. For our next page, we're still continuing to count our pictures and write the answer. So you guys can do that all by yourself. And for our last one, now we have to figure out, we have to not just find the answer, but we have to write the number too. So let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gray kittens. They already gave us that number. Plus, how many black cats? Let's look. 1, 2. So we have to trace the number 2. And we have to count all of them up. So now we have to find our total answer. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to write 7. Look at our next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish plus 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. How many fish are total? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fish. And Miss B will do one more with you, okay? It says we have 3 rabbits, 3 black rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many brown rabbits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6 right here. Let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 rabbits total. And our last thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on our duck page. So yesterday we cut and glued our duck on there. Now we're going to write about it. So we're going to write the sentence, let me tell you about ducks. And you're going to give me 3 facts that we learned from our video. So we can talk about ducks have webbed feet. So we can look, they have webbed feet. Okay, they swim in the water, just like our pond. Ooh, when they sleep, we could say that they tuck their head in their arm feathers and their wings. They have a flat shovel-like beak. And what are baby ducks called? Do you remember? Ducklings. So you guys can write any of those. Make sure you write 3 facts that we learned. Okay, so first we're going to say, let me tell you about ducks. And then you're going to write 3 facts. Baby ducks are ducklings. They swim in water. They have webbed feet. Okay, you could write those sentences or anything else we learned. At the end, remember to wrap it up. So we could write a sentence, I like ducks. Ducks are awesome. Or any other sentence that wraps it all up, okay? So you need to have, let me tell you about ducks, and then 3 facts that we learned, and then an ending sentence, okay? So you guys know what to do in your best, neatest handwriting. Make sure you write beautiful work, okay? Because moms and dads are going to dojo me so I can look at your work, okay? Okay, that is the end of our station work today.